Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where Microsoft Edge does not remember login passwords to any websites, then please watch this video. So open Microsoft Edge, click on these three dots at the top right corner, select settings, and you may select passwords to confirm whether this is true or not. And then you can go to the password section and click on this option here and check if you have saved passwords here. So if you don't find any list of saved passwords, even if you were actually saving them, then you will have to reset the browser. But again, if you have them saved here and it isn't showing, then you can just try to relaunch the browser. It will work. Now, as for resetting the browser, in the settings panel, go to reset settings on the list on the left hand side. Click on restore settings to the default value and then reset. Okay, that's it. It will solve the problem. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.